Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my tumbler toppers. First, you're going to want to gather all your supplies. You can order your silicone molds from my website, craftytwist.com. I used the glitter guy, Beach Babe, and ice, and then epoxy. The way these molds work is you're going to want to work from the deepest part of the mold to the top. So in this case, we're going to start off with the gingerbread. When I mix my epoxy, I like to let it sit for a bit to thicken up before I add my glitter. Once it's all mixed up, you're going to want to go ahead and carefully pour it into your mold. You're going to want to make sure that you don't overfill the bottom part. If you happen to get epoxy on layers that don't need epoxy, you're just going to want to wipe it up before it cures. Once you completely fill the bottom layer, you're going to want to let that sit. I usually wait about 3 to 4 hours before doing my second layer. When it's time for the second layer, I go ahead and mix my epoxy, let it sit for a little bit, and then add in all the glitter. In this mold, it's only 2 layers, so this will be the top layer. You're going to want to go ahead and fill the entire mold all the way into the top. Then you're going to set it aside and let it cure. Once it's fully cured, you can go ahead and remove your topper and add it to your cup. How cute is that? Thank you. Bye.